Do it.
All right. This is a disclaimer that I believe most men's natural essence is masculine, which is logic, mission, purpose, drive, and to protect and defend. And that women's natural essence is mainly feminine, which is intuitive, more bonding, connecting, nurturing, and general warmth. So if you believe that this is not true and that all men and women are the same, then this video is probably not for you and actually could be kind of triggering. Guys, welcome back to the Upswing Report. It's Austin here, and in this video, we're gonna go over a few powerful, actionable ways that you can take and do that's going to allow you to feel how you're supposed to naturally feel. Amazing, just like the king that you are. The first way to increase your masculine energy is to get in touch with your purpose, mission, and drive in life. This is one of the most straightforward things that you can do to increase your masculine energy. What are you passionate about? What are you moving towards? What barriers are you breaking through? If you don't have this figured out, then it's pretty much impossible to be in your masculine. Zig Ziglar said, if you aim at nothing, you will hit it every time. This doesn't mean you have to love every single part of your job, ace all your exams, or be running a multi-million-dollar business. But it does mean that you should be going towards whatever that thing is that you decided that you're going after. Movement and then growth are what matters. For me, running and working on my own businesses is essential to my masculine energy. If you have no idea what you're going towards right now, I really encourage you to go look at what SMART goals are. SMART is an acronym for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely. So I'm gonna show you right now. I'll put it on my screen too so you can see it, but this is what I just pulled off my refrigerator. Here are 2 SMART goals that I'm currently working on right now in my own life. So you can see the first one is more business oriented with the YouTube channel specifically, and the second one is more focused on my health and fitness. This is a great way to not just have a lofty goal or have goals that you're saying to yourself, this is what I want to achieve someday. This breaks down, makes a very logical way to go about and making sure that you're achieving your goals. So I'll post my SMART goals so you can check them out. And I encourage you, if you don't have any goals that you're currently working on, to use the SMART goals model because it cuts any of the gray area out of your goal setting. It's super specific and it can help you make sure that you're on track. So speaking of business, I gotta actually go send some tax documents off in the mail. So let's go ahead and do that right now. All right, let's go send this thing off in the mail. Will Smith said that before anyone else in the world believes it, is that you have to believe it. So the next thing that you can do to increase your masculine energy is to be independent, self-sufficient, and dependable. The first step in all that process is you have to love yourself. You have to fall in love with yourself. If you get your value from external circumstances or a situation that you're in or you're not in, you're never gonna be fully in love with yourself and you're never going to be in your masculine. You need to know that your value is intrinsic, which means that it comes from inside you. You are made in the image of God. You need to believe it before you see it. Welcome to Amity. This is where Kahari behind the camera works from. Sometimes I'll come through and do a little bit of work here as well, like I'm doing right now. Like I was saying before, you gotta see it before you can believe it in terms of you being self-reliant and making sure that you're independent and you're fully self-sustained. When this happens, when you have this belief, then things will start to come together for you. You'll start making the right moves. You'll attract the right people. You'll be in the right place at the right time. All the above, but it starts with belief. This belief breeds confidence, which is one of the most attractive traits that any guy can have. You really can't have crutches. You can't rely solely on another person. Hey, I love my mom just as much as the next guy, but you can't be living in your parents' basement forever. If you hate your job, cut it off. If your girlfriend is being constantly disrespectful to you, stand up and tell her that's not cool and mean it. Be prepared to walk. Expect the very best for yourself. If you have the internal belief that you will make it no matter what, it's just a matter of time, then your actions are gonna reflect that. So being self-reliant and completely independent and only relying on yourself, truly your own self, is a great way to increase your masculine energy. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit more work and then we're gonna go grab some food. All right, time for some food. All right, the third thing that you can do to increase your masculine energy is to take care of your physical appearance. If you've seen any other videos on my channel here at the Upswing Report, you realize that there's a ton of content about men's fashion and style. Why do you think that is? Because if you look good, then you feel good. Your body is a temple, guys, and you should respect it as such. Now, this doesn't mean that you have to be an Aaron Marino or a Brett Maverick, but taking care of your physical appearance is a must. Even the little, or should I say big things. Thank you. Oh, let's hop back into my bathroom for a quick word from our partner of this video, Manscaped. All right, so you may have seen the lawnmower or Manscaped on Shark Tank. It is a men's grooming tool for below the belt. The lawnmower 2.0 is made specifically just for us guys, and this little trimmer is 100% waterproof. It comes with a USB charger, so that makes it wireless. So these ceramic blades on the head of the trimmer are replaceable, and because they're ceramic, they don't rust, and it comes with skin-safe technology, which is a trademark term. I don't know exactly what it means, but basically it's really hard to nick yourself as you're trimming, which is a really great benefit. This thing has a 6,000 RPM motor in here, and as you can hear, it kind of quietly hums along. It's a very powerful tool. In addition to the USB charger, it comes with a couple of these guard trimmers so you can get the right length of whatever you're trimming. So they went ahead and hooked us all up. So use the code UPSWING for 20% off your entire order, and you're gonna get free shipping on whatever you buy. Go ahead and do yourself a favor. Pick up one of these lawnmower 2.0s. Trust me, your balls will thank you. Link is in the description. And outside of your personal hygiene, watch what you're eating. Watch your caloric intake. Understand what macros are. Watch your alkaline levels. Don't be too acidic. Start wearing clothing that fits your body and accentuates your features. And if you don't know where to start, this channel has loads of stylish content. Again, if you look good, you feel good. And if you feel good, you play good. And if you play good, then they pay good. So let's run it up, boys. We got some wraps from Beyond Juice, and I got a smoothie. Kahari got a smoothie as well, and the same cilantro chicken wrap, so we'll see how it is. That's good, I got the detox smoothie. It's sweet, but you can also tell it's just healthy, you know? Good smoothie. Let's try this wrap. You guys my rating on this cilantro chicken wrap. Tell you what I think. That hits the spot. The spinach wrap, some good protein in there. Got some good carbs. Also got some avocado. Kick. Solid 9 out of a 10. How you do anything is how you do everything. And a lot of it starts with your physical appearance. It affects more than you know. And that's the third thing that you can do to increase your masculine energy. Take those 3 things that I went over to increase your masculine energy. Being in your masculine will give you mental clarity. It'll help you get more girls. It'll help you do better at work or your career, whatever you're going after. And most importantly, it'll make you feel great about yourself. And if you made it to the end of the video, I'd encourage you to consider subscribing. I've got a lot more videos coming out like this, and so you'll be kept in the loop. All right, that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one, and remember, keep it upswing.